Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to find and replace all caps with lowercase in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then select the all paragraph in this document. Click and drag on your mouse to select all paragraphs. Then go to the home menu and click replace option. Then write in find what box and replace with box, write anything. Then click more option and click the format option and select font. Then check mark on the all caps. Then press OK. Then click replace all and yes, then click OK. Then close the window. Now you can see replace the all caps with lowercase. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.